Good morning. Hello everyone. I'm here today because I want to show you a few tutorials. I want to show you how to make your life easier, and if you're a new stylist, I'd like to just give you a few tips when it comes to preparation of lashes. So today we'll talk about getting the pads ready, so the pads that go underneath the client's eye. I'll show you how to get those ready and how to get little hack, how to actually get them to stick better. So that will be the first video.
Okay, so you have your pads, and if they sometimes become less sticky, or when you buy them they're not quite there's not enough sort of the collagen and gel underneath and they don't stick very well, what you can do with these is put some tape on them to make them stick to the skin a little bit better. So what I would normally do is I'll just measure roughly the length of the iPad. You can use a wider tape if you choose to. I've got this one, so I just use this one. So you just cut, and what you'll do is you'll just apply that tape across the iPad. There you go. So once you have that, you will then cut the tape to the shape of the pad, just so it sits nicer and more flush on client's skin. You want to leave a little bit of tape obviously sticking out, because that will be the area that will get stuck onto the natural lashes and that will keep them down. So just trim that one, get rid of that. So you end up with something like this. So you can see really there is this bit here, that's just tape. And what will happen then, if you take the back off, so you slide a finger on there and separate it, you can see there's tape just there, which means when you apply it onto the client's eye, if the pad is a little bit less sticky, that tape will be very sticky and that will go right under the client's eye.